Hi there. If you're looking for a quick and delicious way to make flourless donuts, then you've come to the right place. In this video, I'll show you how to make fluffy and delicious donuts in just a few minutes, without using flour and using the microwave. Additionally, these donuts are filled with a delicious cream that will give them an irresistible flavor. If you're a dessert lover and want to try something new and easy to make, don't miss this video. Two eggs. 60 grams of erythritol. Use your preferred sweetener. $20 grams of hazelnut cream. If you don't have it, you can substitute it with peanut or almond butter. 80 grams of Greek-style yogurt. Mix until all ingredients are integrated. $80 grams of oat flour. 12 grams of yeast. 1 tablespoon of natural cocoa. Fill the silicone donut molds. Bake in the microwave at maximum power for 1 minute. After 1 minute, check if they are done. If you leave them in for too long, they will become hard. Now, let's prepare the filling. You'll see how easy it is. Take a tablespoon of hazelnut cream. Add a teaspoon of your favorite sweetener. And a tablespoon of powdered milk or protein powder. Add 2 or 3 tablespoons of milk or plant-based beverage. Gradually add the milk until you get the consistency you like. If you're enjoying this recipe, leave me a comment and subscribe so you don't miss my videos. On a piece of parchment paper, make circles with melted chocolate. With the dough I prepared, I made 10 donuts. Make as many circles as the number of donuts you have made. Place the donuts on top of the melted chocolate circles in a way that covers the holes. Put them in the fridge for a few minutes until the chocolate hardens. Now, fill them with hazelnut cream. Melt the chocolate using a double boiler or microwave and dip your donuts in the melted chocolate. You will need around 70 to 90 grams of chocolate. I use sugar-free chocolate. To finish, you can sprinkle chopped hazelnuts or other nuts or granola on top. These flourless donuts turned out so delicious. I hope you enjoyed this video and feel inspired to make them at home. If you liked this recipe and want to see more easy and tasty recipe videos, you can follow me on my social media and subscribe to my YouTube channel to stay updated on my latest content. I'm really happy to have shared this recipe with you, and I hope you can enjoy it as much as I do. These flourless donuts filled with cream are a perfect option for those who are looking for a quick and easy dessert without sacrificing taste and quality. Thank you for watching my video.